Told you I know how to get some money. Now, which one of you girls knows how to dance? Which one knows how to teach you?
Hold it right there!
What?
You're carrying something belongs to me.
How do you figure? I'm a bank robber and I went and robbed that bank. Fair and square.
You know who I am?
No, who are you?
I'm a bank robber.
Something new.
Look, put the gold down. I won't have to shoot you.
Shoot me, you ain't even seen me shoot yet.
I'm not going to get a chance to see you shoot. Give me the gold.
Mark, Mark, you just come get it. Quit shooting!
Quit moving!
Quit shooting!
Well, quit moving! Just give me the gold.
You trying to hit me.
I'm trying to hit you. Give me the gold.
Now look, fair fight, I can take you.
Fair fight, you're running all over the place.
Because you was shooting all over the place.
You stand still, I'll get you.
Good, good. I know how we said it just a minute. Say, folks, I need you to support favorite outlaw. You know I can take him, right?
Yeah! That wasn't very good. Wait a minute. You gotta do better than that. You know I can take you, right? Yeah! Dead man walking over here. You want to give me the gold?
Now, buddy, I got somebody with a map to Mexico right there.
Are you ready?
Of course I'm ready.
Well, you said you were ready.
I wasn't that ready.
You're never going to be ready. Give me the gold.
Now look, I seen it over the hill here in another town. They had a big clock on the wall. Kept me up all night. But that clock, 12 o'clock, right in the afternoon, click, and here it goes. Them fellas out in the street started shooting right there. That seemed fair to me.
A clock.
Yep, big one.
Big clock. Anybody see a clock around here? You better think of something else. You better get out of the way.
I've been watching you guys out here. I got an idea that's fair and square. Nobody will get hurt.
What are we going to do?
I like fair and square.
Very simple. I'll toss this coin in the air. Whichever one of you hits it takes the gold.
That's all?
That's all.
You're wasting your time.
Look, I'll get a hold of that and I'll take that gold.
Just hit that coin.
You guys are ready.
George, put it up there.
I got it. I got it. Look at that.
Get that map.
Look at. Get out of the way. Get out of there.
I got it right
You
there.
guys are not shots. Didn't even put a dent in it.
You didn't throw it right. I'm getting the goal this time. I'm taking the goal this time.
I'm putting a hole right through that corn, buddy.
I'm taking the goal.
Okay, you guys ready?
We're ready.
Here we
I'll
go.
get the corn. Got it!
Looks like I win.
Good shot, all right.
Didn't do him any good, did it?